welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my first ever makeup haul, and yes, it's a Nykaa haul as you can see. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started with the video. The first thing that I bought was this lipstick. This is from Maybelline New York Color Sensational Lip Color. So I am just going to swatch it for you guys. This is the color, and the best thing about this lipstick is that it is a creamy matte. So if you are a person who likes to have a matte lipstick in their collection but they can't have that matte, so you can always go for this creamy matte, and this is for 299 rupees, and this is super duper affordable and it stays for a longer period of time. Also, this was on discount. There was like an offer going on Nykaa where I got a mini lipstick free with this lipstick, and this is that mini lipstick which I got for free. I am going to swatch it for you guys. So this is a darker color and it is in the shade Divine Wine. I am actually not a bold lip color lover, but I would definitely try this with a bold makeup look. But this was a great offer where I got this lipstick for 299 and got this free. And also I got this cute little lip socket for free after buying this lip. The second product which I bought was this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal Paris. So this is something which I wanted for a long time, but I was just a little hesitating. For $7.99, and for me, I am not a mascara person, so I was literally giving myself a time that do I really need it, but I really wanted to try this because I've heard a lot of great reviews about this product. This is a bomb mascara. This is like 10 on 10 product. I am definitely going to repurchase this product because it literally makes your lashes longer, and I am a person, I have really short eyelashes, and I actually saw the difference after applying this mascara. So I will definitely recommend you guys to buy this. So when I bought this product, I got this eyeliner for free. Can you imagine the kind of discount it was going on Nykaa? I was super excited. So this is basically an eyeliner. It was for 600, which I got for free. I will just swatch it for you guys. This is amazing, you guys. Just one glide. The best thing about this eyeliner is that it dries out like a magic. You just apply it and boom, it is already dry. This is a waterproof eyeliner, and the mascara was also waterproof. So the next product which I bought was this lip color from L'Oreal. I'll just open it. I haven't even opened it yet. So this is the shade which I bought. It is in the shade I Rule. I was so happy and so excited when I ordered it. I really wanted this color for so long, and you have no idea how many pink shades I have in my collection. If I show it to my brother or to my any friend, they'll be like, all are same, but they have no idea that every pink shade is different. So I'll just swatch this for you. Oh my god, this color is bomb, you guys. I am in love with this color. This is super duper matte. The best thing about this lip shade is that it is also waterproof. If you are like in a mood to apply a lipstick and you want it to stay for like full day, full night, this is your color, girls. Just go and get it. This may be expensive for some people, as this is for 650, but I think it's totally worth it because it stays for like full day, full night. This is your color, girls. Just go and get it. It was on discount for 53 rupees, and I got this lipstick for free. Oh my god, guys, can you imagine the things I got for free? Actually, they were more than the things I paid for. This is also a darker color. This is in the shade 250, and it is also, I'll again swatch it for you guys. it is like a maroonish color. I am really not a dark lip color lover, but I would definitely try it, you know, for a change. The price of this lipstick is 650. So yeah, I got this. Boom guys, this is like the best deal. And coming to the last product and my personal favorite product, which I'm a big fan of, and I have used it. I'm sorry, I couldn't just resist myself from using a lip balm. You have no idea guys, I am a lip balm lover. I cannot go without lip balm, and I used to use a lip balm from Organic Harvest, and it was like my favorite lip balm. I used to think that that is the lip balm I'm going to use for my life, and that was for 200. Then this happened. This Blue Heaven lip balm actually, it is for rupees 85 only. And you guys, this is so amazing. It moisturizes your lips like anything. I apply it at night, and the next morning when I wake up, it is still on my lips. Can you imagine? It is so good. It is like the most worthy product of the entire haul, and I will definitely recommend this to everyone who is a lip balm lover like me. And yeah, this is super affordable, super travel friendly. You can just take it, and you can just open it like this, and yeah, oh my god, it smells like heaven. It is a cocoa butter flavor. There's actually three flavors. One is bubblegum flavor, the other is strawberry, and the one which I bought is rich in cocoa. So I love this. Definitely buy this. So yeah, that was all about today's haul. I hope you liked this haul, and if you did, please like this video, comment on this video, and share this. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and do it right away, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.